Hey guys, in this video I will show you how we can fix high memory, CPU and RAM usage on Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what I suggest to do here is to go to settings, then go to Windows Update, and if there is an update for you that you need to download and install it, do so, and after that restart your computer. Right, so this is the first step. Another step that you need to do here is to go to services. Then on services, you need to just click on one of the tasks here and press S. And then you should find, as you can see, sysmain. And what you need to do here is to right click properties and then disable task, right? And then press stop, right? And after that, apply OK. Next step, what we need to do here is to go to view advanced system settings. On view advanced system settings, go to performance, then select adjust for best performance, right? Apply OK. And next thing what you need to do here, you need to open up task manager, then go to processes and end all the tasks that you currently don't use, of course, and just end everything that you know, because if you end some wrong Microsoft maybe task, it can break your computer. So for example, I know that I don't use Razor anymore. I can end the task. I know that I do not use, as you can see here, plenty of Razor apps. So just end all the tasks that you just don't use and you know them. And then the next step, what you need to do here is to open up a startup apps and also make sure that you disable as many startup apps as possible. Of course, not Microsoft ones, but you know, for example, Skype. You just need to right click and press disable. Just leave audio, as you can see here, security apps, because it can mess up your audio and other things. But for example, like iCloud photos, like PDF, Xbox apps, apps for your mouse and keyboard, it uses a lot of your computer resources. Epic Games, Battle.net, when you play the game, you can just enable them, but don't enable them when your computer starts, because it, as I said, it uses a lot of your computer resources. So disable as much as possible here. And then we can proceed with other steps. So another step that we need to do here is to go to system configuration. On system configuration, we need to go to services, then select hide all Microsoft services, and here also disable services that you don't use but you know them. So for example, I don't use Adobe, I can just disable them. I don't use Apple Mobile, I can disable them. And as you can see here, Brave update, I have Brave but I rarely use them. Cloudware, and just disable the things that you don't use but you have on your computer here, right? But just not disable all, because also it can mess up with your computer. And then after that, apply OK, and we can proceed with other steps. So other step that we need to do here is to open up File Explorer. Then on File Explorer, you need to go to your PC, and then make sure that you have at least 25 gigabyte space on your computer, because if you don't have at least 25 gigabytes space, also it can mess up your computer performance. So the first thing, if you don't have, for example, space, you can do is to go to defragment and optimize drives, and then optimize drive here. Wait for a couple of seconds, and then we can proceed with other steps. You can close this down now. Then you just need to write run, git run. Then you just need to write clean mgr, and then select your disk. And then here it will be just the cache files that you can easily delete it, right? So just select all, as you can see here. And I just recently delete that, but now as you can see here, there is almost over 1.5 gigabyte of cache files that I can easily delete and save up my disk space. As you can see here, it's deleting, and in the meantime, we can also write run. And then here we just need to write temp And on temp, we need to just also can delete all the files here. Don't worry, it's just the cache files. If your files cannot be deleted, just leave it as it is, because that certain program now is running and you cannot delete that particular file. Just write run again. Then write %. Then you need to write %temp %. So %temp %. And also delete all the cache files that you can here, right? Also all the files not be deleted, but nevertheless, as you can see here, 300 megabytes we can save from just only this action. Another thing that you need to do here is to go to edit power plan, then select power options, and then select ultimate performance. If you don't have ultimate performance, maybe it should be high performance, just select this here, right? And the next thing what we need to do here is to go to Windows Security. Then we need to go to virus and threat protection. Then on virus and threat protection, go to scan options, and then select full scan and scan now. So full scan can not only ensure that you don't have viruses on your computer, but also it guarantees that you don't have anything that conflicts with your computer and decrease your performance. So do this from time to time. You can do this on the background of your computer. You can work, do other things, game, but it will scan your files, and it will help a lot with your performance. And the last thing what I suggest to do here, if you play the game, and if you play some games and you want to improve performance, you just need to go to graphic settings. On graphic settings, select the game that you play, for example Fortnite, options, and always select high performance here, and also it will improve your performance as well. So yeah, that's basically it what I wanted to show you, and if I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.